everyone, today I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make chicken roll. We can even make chicken egg roll, but I'm making only chicken roll. So let's start with that. Okay, now we are going to make a dough. For this dough we need a cube of dalda. I've used a normal dalda, and 1 spoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. Now let's start making the dough for the paratha. We'll have 1 spoon of sugar and a pinch of salt, just a pinch of salt, and a cube of dalda. Now you have to mix it properly so it doesn't now you have to add some water. I have kneaded the dough and the dough is ready. Now just apply some oil, refined oil. Just apply it. We are going to make fillings for the paratha. So I just have bought some chunks of chicken, just 1 plate of chicken. So in that I'm going to use a black salt and a normal salt and some nimbus and garam masala, red chili and garlic ginger paste, and even some curd I'm going to use. Now we'll start making the fillings. Now add chicken to the, add some black salt just for the taste, and normal salt. Now add ginger garlic paste, all those whatever masala we have, the red chili, garam masala, I'm just using half of the nimbu, 1 spoon of curd. Now add some mustard oil, todi ko tel. See, it has come into this color. Now just make a space for a small vessel or bhara to fit in. As you all can see, I have marinated the chicken and I have made a space for a small vessel to fit. Now we'll just put the vessel out here. Now in this small vessel we have this coal, koila. You can use this koila if you like the smoky smell. If you don't like, you don't have to use it. Just like koila, the smoky smell man parcha, unale yo koila use garda huncha. Now यो कोइला हालेपछि you have to just cover with aluminum foil and keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. Just cover it. Till then we'll make, now the dough is ready. Now we'll start making paratha for this. Now I'm using this chop board because I have to make a big paratha. So now add some oil. Now you have to cut in the center. You beach ma katnu parcha and roll it. This way you have to just roll it. Now press it. Start. Ready. I've kept the pan in a high flame. Now just put the flame in a Till then, we will be making fillings. I'm going to open the marinated chicken. Let's smell. This chicken I'm going to use butter. This butter is Amul butter. I'm just going to use a slice of Amul butter. With the bake for 5 to 10 minutes. I'm going to use capsicum. I've just used half a piece of capsicum and 2 medium size onions. Now, after some time we'll be adding this chicken very dry because we are using this chicken for the filling, so it should be very dry. Let the water dry, and after that we'll add that capsicum and onion. See, the meat is cooked, but we have to make this very dry. Add capsicum. Mix it very well. You smell the capsicum and onion comes out very nicely. We use the raw thing, so this should not be cooked very properly. Now my chicken is ready. Okay, now my paratha is also ready. You can see it's very soft, and my chicken is also ready. Now we have to garnish the paratha with some chicken. Now, first we are going to add some mayonnaise. I've used this veg mayonnaise. You can use any mayonnaise. In case if you don't have, it's okay. You can just fill with chicken. We will start filling the paratha with some mayonnaise. It's very easy and it's very tasty paratha. It's a homemade paratha. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.